Alright team, so test drive time. I'm on the highway and yeah, so just wanted to show you too. So things are fine, things are nice. So it's been about 24 hours now, a little bit more. Then I did the valve cover, so now we're just gonna do a little quick drive, bring the car up to temp, see how's it going. And so too, I wanted to give just a little update too on the small talk I wanted. I had with you, me, myself, and so I got an email back from a wheel company. The guy said that what my wishes are for, like I said, I think I said I wanted 10.5 in the back, 9.5 in the front. He said it's not gonna happen. Like it will look dumb, it will stick out, will poke out too wide. Just overall not what I want to do. And you know what, I'll just take his word for it, right? Like that's his job to know wheels and stuff. So what I'm gonna do, well, that's, I asked them, I sent an email back and asking, okay, so is it like 9? For sure I can do 9. I can do 9 in the front, I can do 9 in the back, but I'm gonna ask if with 9.5 in the back would make sense, and then we'll see. But I do understand that it would poke out, it will look not necessarily how I want. So you know, that's his job. He knows. So I'll follow his advice, and when time comes, I would love to be able to do that to get the wheels by next summer. You know, it's a big chunk of cash. Like, so I need to think, like, set of wheels and shipping and transfer from US to Canadian dollars. Like, I'll most likely end up spending $1,000 for a set of wheels, which is fairly cheap, right? But you know, it's money, right? And so that's the thing. So that's the plan. I'm gonna wait to get to so if I can do 9.5 in the back, for sure I can do 9 in the front. So we'll go with that. We'll make a nice little setup, and then wheels will be done. Wheels would have been taken care of. Yeah, so I'm gonna get off here, put some gas in, drive back home, and see if there's any traces of leak or anything. So see you in a bit. Alright team, so we just got home and now it's time for the test. So what I did is put cardboard underneath because my driveway is already super stained full of oil. So now if it leaks, I'm gonna leak on it and I'll be able to figure it out from where. You know, it's just pretty easy. And I checked where it was leaking earlier, like from before. I'll show you that. See right here, some mark of, here you go, look at that, dry. It's still super hot, but it's dry, so it might be good news. So we'll see. So very much final update. So in this section here where I was leaking earlier, it's over, and now I found that. I am not sure where it's coming from, but well, at least that part is fixed, so I'll have to fix that one, right? One step at a time. So well, thank you for watching, and yeah, if you like it, say a comment, say what you like. Thank you.